Okay, so I just finished doing the dishes, cleaning up the kitchen a little bit. The house is pretty clean. I just need a vacuum really. I'm gonna do a deep clean this Sunday. So look out for that video. I cannot wait to show you all the fun stuff I got at Hobby Lobby. They have all of their spring decor and spring shop stuff for 40% off. So I got a good amount of stuff. Everything in this haul was about $60 with tax, so not too bad. The first thing I got is this beautiful like door window frame thing. I don't know what you call these, but I think it's so pretty, and I'll insert a clip here because I already hung it up. I was just too anxious to put it up. I think it really adds something to the space, and I think I'm gonna try putting like a wreath or something on it just to bring more color to it, but I think it fills up that space nicely. I was having a hard time finding something long like that that wasn't a mirror or a welcome sign. It's not what I wanted. I just wanted something simple. I had this warm Target sign up there and it was fine, but I moved the furniture around there, so I needed something longer to fill up the space, and I think it looks so great. So now I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff I got and show you what I'm going to do with it. So I'm super pumped, and I hope some of the stuff turns out cute. So let me show you. Okay, so the first thing I got is this new utensil holder. I have been looking for a new utensil holder since we moved into this home. I got the one we have for like $10 at Home Goods or Marshall's, and I really do like it. It's a nice kind of deep green blue, and I know I can utilize it somewhere else in my home. I'm actually thinking about putting it in my bathtub, not in, like near my bathtub, and putting some like greenery in there. I think it'd be really cute, but I wanted something super farmhousey. It's farmhouse kitchen on it, and it's this nice light concrete style, and it's not too heavy. I really like it, and this was $9.99 at the spring shop. Again, everything was 40% off, so this was like $6. I'm so excited. I think this is definitely gonna freshen up the kitchen more. And I bought another little like canister that's over there, so you're gonna see how cute it looks together. I'm super pumped about this one. Okay, so these next few items are what I'm a little nervous about. I love our kitchen table. It's farmhousey, it's wood, it's round, it's so cute. It goes with our house so well, but I really wanted a runner, but it's such a short table that all the runners are too long. But I found this one at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's gonna be a good length, and it has like black and white on it, and then it has like this striped little fringe effect too. So I'm hoping this isn't too dark for the table, and then it adds some contrast. And then I bought some other fun stuff to decorate the table too. I don't really use the kitchen table very often because it's just Brody and I in the house, so we do eat on the couch a lot. I don't know if that's really good, but it's what we do. It's comfy. We love our couch. But the kitchen table is something I've always really wanted to decorate, and I really like the centerpiece I have right now, but I've always wanted like a cute table runner and some napkins and chargers, so that's what I picked up today. And everything was super affordable. This table runner was $14.99 and then 40% off, so it was such a good deal. I picked up 2 little napkins from the spring shop to go with that. They have the nice little fringe detailing, and I think this is gonna go really well with the table runner. And then I also got, and the napkins were $2.99 each and then 40% off, so what a steal. And then also from the spring shop, pretty much everything's from the spring shop, I got these napkin ring holders, and they were $2.99, 40% off, and I thought this was just so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. And then over the chargers and on top of the table runner, I think it's gonna look so cute, but I'll give you a close-up of this. But I mean, this was such a steal. So these were the chargers I got. I loved these. They're just a nice white cream with like a gold brown distressing on it, and I just thought these were so pretty, and I wanted something really neutral that I could use all year round and dress up. I think these would be really pretty during the holiday time. They have that golden brown, so I think it'll be great for fall, and I'm using them for spring right now too, so I think these are going to be a great addition to the table, and you can get these all year round, and they're always $2, so super affordable. Okay, so the next thing I got wasn't on sale, but it was only $5.99, and it's this beautiful little cross. I just thought this was so pretty, and I think I'm actually gonna hang this above the front door. I just think it would be really sweet. Okay, my battery's about to die, but I wanted to show you the last piece. I got this really cute, really lightweight kind of wooden chain thing. I think I'm gonna put this on my little console table over here. It was originally almost $20, and I got it for $12 on sale. It's super light, and it's just one of those like super trendy things that you could put like on top of books or on a console table. So I thought it was really cute. I thought it was a little bit more boho, but still farmhouse style. So I wanted to pick this up, and yeah, I'm excited to see how this looks. I might even put it on like my TV stand or something. I just thought it was super cute. I thought about getting multiple, but just thought I'd start with one. And that is everything I got so far. Hobby Lobby had really cute stuff. I feel like it's either hit or miss. I either find everything that I want and more, or I find nothing. So really happy with all my finds. I want to see how I decorate with all of these items. Keep watching.